Hey, what's going on? Aaron Chen. I hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website right here. It's called Buildabizonline.com. Okay, maybe you were led here by an online ad. Maybe somebody recommended you into the program. Maybe you got some sort of cash gift invitation, and you're wondering, can you really make money from this business, and how does this really work? Okay, so Buildabizonline is owned by a gentleman called Ian Stewart. He's been on the internet marketing and affiliate marketing for many years. All right, and basically what this is kind of like a marketing system that has different tools that you can use to resell this program. All right, so there are two levels. There's a free level and a paid level. The free level gives you access to things like, just let me show you right here, right? So you've got access to free email swipes that you can use. You can get free email training. There's an HTML editor. There's a URL rotator, and there's some ad training. Okay, so that's a free membership, which is pretty cool. Okay, because most training programs or systems don't even have any free training, right? So that's a cool part about this program. But really, if you don't have the paid stuff, you can't do much with the free training, to be honest. Because with the URL rotator, unless you know what to do with the URLs, you can't do anything. If you don't have a capture page, if you don't have any splash pages, if you don't have any thank you pages, if you don't have a product, that you can't do anything with the emails, if that makes sense, right? So it's cool that they have the free training, but the free training is useless if you don't have the other stuff, right? Which is why they've got the paid levels. So the paid training, what you really get is you get an autoresponder, which is basically an email managing software, which is required if you want to market online. They give you what they call a splash page, which is also called a landing page or a capture page, where you can capture people's emails. So you have that editor and you can create simple pages. That's a requirement in online marketing. You have all the tracking software that tracks everything. All right. So you have, you can track your emails. You can see which emails are working, who's opening what pages, how to make the tweaks and all that stuff. So these are all the basic parts of actually having an online business, which is great. Okay, so there are other ways to do that. Of course, you can go out there and you can use third-party tools, and there are many businesses out there and softwares that provide all of these things. Like ClickMagick is one that I use for a tracking tool. For a capture page and splash page builder, I use ClickFunnels. There's Kartra, there's Builderall. There's many different companies out there. Autoresponders, there's Aweber, GetResponse, Infusionsoft. There are many different softwares that you can use, but under Buildabizonline, they have their own software kind of all in one place. And there's good and bad things about that. The good is that you get it for a pretty affordable price, but the bad is all of your tools are in one place. So if anything happens to Buildabizonline, you're screwed. Your entire business goes down, right? If you use third-party tools, at least if your autoresponder goes down, your capture page and your tracking and your splash page still works, right? Whereas if you have it all under one roof, if anything happens to that software or these guys go out of business, your entire business is gone. And that's kind of the risk of having everything under one umbrella. That's the only thing that I would say, okay? But otherwise, that's what they have. So they're kind of a affiliate marketing tool system that you can use, right? Now, how do you get into the program? Well, they've got different levels in the program, and that's an interesting thing about this business, right? So on the surface, everything looks great. It looks like they give you tools, right? Which should be used to sell any affiliate program, but they like to promote you to resell their program, okay? So the whole goal of Buildabizonline is to resell Buildabizonline to other people, and they've got different levels ranging from $20, which is pretty cheap, all the way up to $500. Okay, now this is how this works. When you get into their compensation plan, they use the term gifting a lot. Okay, so it's a pay-to-play program. That means that if you want to make $20 commissions from people that come into Buildabizonline, then you join at the $20 level. If you want to make $100 from the people that you recommend into the business online, then you join at the $100 level. Okay. If you want to make $500, then you join at the $500 level. So it's a pay-to-play program. That means that you earn commissions at the level that you invest into, which kind of incentivizes you to upgrade to the higher levels, which is a good and bad thing, okay? Because one, it makes you spend more money, and you don't necessarily want to be in a program like that, okay, where you're forced to do that. Now, if you're at the $20 level and somebody joins at the $500 level, what happens is that the rest of the money doesn't go to you, it goes to your upline, your sponsor, okay? And they use the term gifting a lot, which is actually illegal. It's an illegal scheme by the Federal Trade Commission. So again, I'm not saying that these guys are going to get shut down or anything like that, but their compensation plan is based around a cash gifting scheme, which in the eyes of the Federal Trade Commission is illegal, okay? So just be careful, because these guys, they're treading on gray area, right? Obviously, they've got good products here. So it's kind of somewhere in the middle, I would say. The systems and tools work fine. Entry point to join this business is not that expensive. It can go all the way up to 500, but you can get in for $20, right? But again, their compensation plan is built around the cash gifting pay-to-play idea, which is not great in the eyes of the FTC, and they could potentially get in trouble. Okay, so that's kind of Buildabizonline, right? And the other thing I would say is that just understand that this is like a closed loop system, because they promote you, or they tell you to promote this system to other people, which is okay, all right. But you should be able to promote anything that you want as well, and that's how you make a lot of money with affiliate marketing. So these guys, I would say they're middle of the road for me. They've got some good stuff, but they also have some bit gray area stuff, which I might not necessarily myself get into. But that is Buildabizonline in a nutshell. All right. Now, but if you're here watching this video right now, you're probably looking for an opportunity to make money online, right? You're probably somebody who is interested in learning how to generate sales online. You don't know how to do it, okay? And maybe you stumbled across this program and you're like, Aaron, how do I make money on the internet? For the life of you, you can't figure it out, right? Now these guys they're going down the right track. They're teaching you how to resell their program. They're showing you the tools and the systems that you need, which is all great and good. But I still think that in order to become an independent entrepreneur, you need to learn how to set up your own autoresponder, your own capture pages, your own tracking tools, and have all of these allow you to sell anything that you want, okay? So you shouldn't need to sell somebody else's program and just keep reselling the same thing. So for example, you should have all these things, learn how to do it properly, and be able to resell any product that you want. So whether it's product A or product B or product C, it shouldn't be Aaron Chen's product, or it shouldn't be Buildabizonline, if that makes sense. That makes you have 100% control of your business, okay? That makes you a true independent entrepreneur. And it took me a long time, 8 years, and hundreds of thousands of dollars wasted down the drain buying lots of courses to teach me that that's really what I needed to have a long-term business. Okay, so if you would like to learn how to do that, if you would like to learn how to build a multiple six-figure business, which took me a long time to figure out. Now I've got thousands of students where I teach them how to do this, how to become independent, how to sell anything they want online, how to do it properly, so you control 100% of your business and you never rely on any system or tool or business opportunity, and you never ever want to get your business pulled out from under your feet. I want to show you how to do that. Set up a truly independent, online business so that you can sell anything you want, be profitable, learn how to do it right from the beginning. I've got a free online workshop that you can check out that will show you how to do that. You can just register by clicking the link below or clicking the arrow on the right hand side if you're on your mobile device. All right, I hope you enjoyed this review. Hope to see you in the workshop. Take care and all the best to you.